Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas with a really clean Harley Davidson Fat Boy I want to show you. This is a 2012 model. Comes with a 103 motor and a 6-speed transmission. Got a few really nice upgrades on it, like the chrome wheels. It's got an engine guard up front. It's had this windshield added to it. It's a detachable windshield. Set of Vance & Hines exhausts. Well, I said Vance & Hines. I take that back. Those are Super Traps. This bike is in really nice condition. I noticed too that they'd put a set of heated hand grips on it. The bike's only got 1,129 miles. Got the little hood here over the speedometer. Runs out real good. We ran it through the shop and it didn't need a thing. Nice vivid black paint. Got a nostalgic looking Harley Davidson badge there on the tank. I didn't see anything on the paint that I needed to point out to you. It just looks really nice. The lower fork legs look good. All the hardware on the front end looks good. Got a little upgraded shifter rod there, a little Fat Boy shifter rod. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team at 817-985-8888 and they can tell you all about this bike. It qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. You can go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.